Hello, we want to show you about the smart peeling machine, cashew nut peeling machine. This is the cashew nut shells that we has the peelings. So we want to show you about the peeler that we processing the cashew nut peelers. The peelers. This is the device that to supporting the peeling processing the cashew nut. So you can see the seed that after the peelings, like cashew nut after peelings in the packet that we show you in the video. It's very nice that we can use the manual peelers or the peeling machine that with the manual using in so it has we always show you with this is the peeler in Cambodia that we design and we process this is the spout to drain the cashew nuts within the cell as well. And you can see is the ball and nut to screwing the nine of the peeling the peelers to remove the seed out the cashew nut seeds. And so you have the blue color of the peeler in the video. You can see as the video show you. Enjoy the watching this video. The peeler in Cambodia. This is around 50 kilogram per day for the peeling capacity to remove the the shell of the cashew nuts. Please enjoy this video. Okay, thank you.